Discover the limitless potential of monetization through AdSense and sponsorships. Welcome to a journey where the currency is creativity and the rewards are real. This is a summary of our comprehensive course on monetization and revenue streams, a roadmap to the treasure troves of AdSense and sponsorships. We live in an era where digital content is king and its crown jewels are AdSense and sponsorships. This course is your golden ticket to a kingdom where value and viewership convert into viable revenue. It's not just about making videos. It's about making videos that make money. And this course summary will give you a sneak peek into the secrets behind the curtain. AdSense, a mighty tool in the Google arsenal, is a magic wand that turns views into revenue. But like any powerful tool, it requires skill and understanding to wield effectively. Our course demystifies AdSense, turning the complex into the comprehensible, the baffling into the beneficial. But the road to riches doesn't end with AdSense. Enter sponsorships, the glittering gemstones in the crown of content monetization. Sponsorships offer a symbiotic relationship, a mutual exchange of value between content creators and brands. In this course, we shed light on how to attract sponsors, negotiate deals, and deliver value, all while keeping your audience's interests at heart. This course summary is a treasure map to the gold mines of AdSense and the glitter of sponsorships. It's a taste of the knowledge banquet that our full course offers. It's your first step on a journey that could transform your content creation into a lucrative venture. So, are you ready to embark on this adventure? Ready to turn your creativity into currency? To transform your passion into profits? If yes, then you're in the right place. This course summary is the beginning of a journey that could change the way you view your content and its potential forever. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of successful monetization. Welcome to the exciting world of monetization for content creators. This is where creativity meets commerce, where your passion projects can turn into profitable ventures. The journey to monetization isn't one size fits all. It's a diverse landscape filled with a plethora of revenue streams, each with its own potential and opportunities. Let's explore some of them. First off, we have AdSense, a tool that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your content. It's like turning your channel into a billboard on the information superhighway. Every click, every view can translate into earnings. The beauty of AdSense is that it's accessible and straightforward. You create the content, the ads get displayed, and you get a cut of the revenue. But AdSense isn't the only game in town. There's also the world of sponsorships. This is where businesses pay you to showcase their products or services in your content. It's like a celebrity endorsement, but for the digital age. Sponsorships can range from subtle product placements to full-blown, dedicated videos. If you've built a strong brand and an engaged audience, sponsorships can be a significant revenue stream. Then there's merchandise. From t-shirts to coffee mugs, from posters to action figures. If your audience loves your content, chances are they'll love merchandise related to it. Selling merchandise can be a great way to generate income while simultaneously strengthening your brand. Don't forget the potential of crowdfunding and patronage platforms. Sites like Patreon allow your most dedicated fans to support you directly, often in exchange for exclusive content or perks. It's a way for your audience to invest in your creative journey, to become a part of your story. And let's not overlook the value of premium content, whether it's a step-by-step tutorial, an in-depth analysis, or a behind-the-scenes look. People are willing to pay for content that delivers value. You can offer premium content on a subscription basis or on a per-item basis. Finally, there's affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service, and if someone makes a purchase using your referral link, you get a commission. It's a win-win scenario. Your audience gets a product or service they need, and you get a piece of the pie. Each of these revenue streams has its own potential, its own challenges, and its own rewards. They can be used individually or combined in a myriad of ways to create a profitable business model. The key is to understand your audience, to know what they value and what they're willing to support. Now that we've painted a broad picture of monetization, let's dive deeper into AdSense. In the next part of our course, we'll explore how to maximize your earnings through strategic ad placement and viewer experience optimization. Stay tuned. AdSense, a goldmine waiting to be tapped into. And just like mining, the process requires keen insight, strategic planning, and a touch of finesse. Let's journey into the depths of AdSense Proficiency, where maximizing earnings meets enhancing viewer experience. AdSense, simply put, is a free, simple way to earn money by displaying ads alongside your online content. As a content creator, you have the power to dictate where these ads appear, which leads us to our first stop on this journey, ad placement optimization. When it comes to ad placement, it's all about balance. You want to maximize visibility without disrupting the viewer experience. Think of your content as a canvas and ads as subtle accents that complement, not overshadow, your masterpiece. Place ads strategically where they naturally fit into the viewer's line of sight. This could be at the beginning, middle, or end of your content, or subtly nestled within the sidebar. Remember, it's not about plastering ads everywhere, but integrating them seamlessly into your content landscape. Moving on, let's delve into the realm of ad formats. AdSense offers a variety of formats, from display ads to text ads, and even rich media ads that include interactive elements. The key here is diversity. A mix of ad formats can cater to different viewer preferences, boosting engagement and consequently, your earnings. However, always ensure the ad format aligns with your content and audience demographics. An interactive gaming ad might not resonate with an audience seeking meditation tips. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the importance of quality content. AdSense is not a shortcut to quick money. It's a tool to monetize quality content. Create content that adds value to your audience, content that resonates, educates, entertains, or inspires. When your content is valuable, your audience engagement increases, and so does your AdSense revenue. Remember, content is king and AdSense is its treasury. Another crucial aspect of AdSense Proficiency is understanding and analyzing your performance metrics. AdSense provides detailed reports on ad performance, including clicks, impressions, and your earnings. Regularly reviewing and interpreting these reports can help you identify trends, understand what works, and fine-tune your strategy for greater profitability. Lastly, let's touch on a topic that often stirs apprehension: AdSense policies. Yes, they might seem daunting, but they are just guidelines to maintain a healthy, respectful advertising ecosystem. Stay compliant by providing original, relevant content, respecting user privacy, and avoiding prohibited content. Navigating AdSense policies successfully is like playing a fair game. It ensures everyone wins: you, your viewers, and your advertisers. To wrap up, AdSense Proficiency is a blend of strategic ad placement, diverse ad formats, quality content, performance analysis, and policy compliance. It's not just about maximizing earnings, but also about enhancing the viewer experience and maintaining a healthy content ecosystem. With a grasp on AdSense, let's navigate the world of sponsorships. Sponsorships, the key to unlocking significant revenue streams. Now, let's dive into the world of sponsorships, an area that can be highly rewarding if navigated carefully and strategically. Identifying potential sponsors is your first step. It's like finding the right dance partner. You want to find companies whose products or services align with your content and your audience's interests. This is crucial because it ensures that your sponsored content will resonate with your audience and not feel out of place or forced. Remember, authenticity is critical. You're not just promoting a product, you're endorsing it. Your audience trusts you and you don't want to break that trust. Once you've identified potential sponsors, it's time to negotiate your deals. This process can be tricky. It's not just about the monetary value, but also about understanding what your sponsor expects from you and what you can deliver. It's a two-way street. you need to ensure that the sponsorship deal benefits both parties. Be clear about your expectations, deliverables, and how you plan to measure success. And remember to negotiate wisely. Don't undervalue your work. Consider factors like your audience size, engagement rates, and the potential exposure and value the sponsor will receive. It's not just about the immediate payout, but also about building long-term relationships that can lead to more lucrative sponsorships in the future. Once the deal is sealed, it's time to deliver value. This is where your creativity comes into play. Create engaging, authentic content that seamlessly integrates your sponsor's product or service. It should feel natural, not like a sales pitch. Your audience values your authenticity and can tell when you're genuinely excited about a product or service. And finally, always maintain transparency with your audience. Disclose your sponsorships clearly and honestly. This not only maintains trust, but also complies with disclosure guidelines. Sponsorships can be a game changer, but remember to balance your monetization strategies. While sponsorships can provide substantial income, it's important to balance them with other revenue streams like AdSense. After all, variety is the spice of life, and it's no different when it comes to monetizing your content. Balancing your monetization strategies is crucial. And here's why. While maximizing your revenue is important, maintaining viewer satisfaction and engagement should be at the heart of your strategy. After all, it's your audience that drives your success. Consider a three-legged stool with each leg representing ads, sponsorships, and viewer satisfaction. If one leg is shorter or longer than the others, the stool becomes unstable. Similarly, if you focus too much on ads and sponsorships at the expense of viewer satisfaction, your channel's stability can be jeopardized. So, how do you maintain this balance? First, ensure your content remains engaging and valuable to your viewers, regardless of the ads or sponsorships involved. Second, be transparent about your sponsorships and only partner with brands that align with your content and audience interests. And third, use AdSense wisely. Too many ads can disrupt the viewer experience, so find a balance that works. Remember, your audience's trust is paramount. Navigating the legal and ethical aspects of monetization is vital. Now, let's delve into this critical aspect of our course. As a content creator, the importance of understanding and adhering to legal requirements cannot be overstated. One such requirement is the disclosure rule. In many jurisdictions, it's mandatory to disclose any sponsored content or affiliate link to your audience. This is done to maintain transparency and to ensure your audience is aware of your affiliations. Remember, these rules aren't just guidelines. They're laws, and not adhering to them could lead to serious consequences. While legality is paramount, ethics too play a significant role in monetization. Ethical practices in monetization are not just about following the law. They're about maintaining an honest and open relationship with your audience. After all, your audience's trust is your most valuable asset. Let's consider an example. Say you're promoting a product through a sponsored video. Ethically, you should only endorse products you've tested and genuinely believe in. Misleading your audience by endorsing a subpar product may earn you a quick buck, but it could also lead to a loss of credibility and trust. Furthermore, maintaining an ethical approach involves respecting your audience's time and experience. Bombarding them with excessive ads or irrelevant sponsored content can be detrimental. Balance is key. Ensure your monetization efforts align with your audience's interests and don't disrupt their viewing experience. In the grand scheme of things, being transparent about your monetization tactics not only keeps you on the right side of the law, it also fosters trust and loyalty among your audience. In turn, this could lead to higher engagement, more views, and ultimately, greater revenue. In conclusion, understanding the legal and ethical landscape of monetization is a crucial step towards sustainable success. It's about more than just making money. It's about building a loyal audience, a strong reputation, and a lasting brand. With these insights, you're well on your way to monetization mastery. Monetization mastery is within your grasp. We've journeyed through the landscape of content monetization, Delving into the world of AdSense and the realm of sponsorships, we've unveiled the potential of these revenue streams and how, when used strategically, they can significantly boost your income. Remember, AdSense Proficiency is all about optimizing ad placement and viewer experience. It's a skill that requires ongoing refinement and a keen understanding of your audience's behavior. On the other hand, sponsorships are about building relationships, negotiating beneficial deals, and delivering value to both your audience and the sponsor. We've also touched on overarching strategies that balance ads, sponsorships, and audience satisfaction. We've highlighted the importance of maintaining trust, being transparent, and navigating the legal and ethical aspects of monetization. All these insights lay the foundation for your monetization mastery. However, this video is merely a snapshot of the wealth of knowledge and strategies available in our full course. Each module offers a deep dive into its respective topic, packed with practical exercises, real-world examples, and expert advice. Enrolling in the full course will empower you not only with the theory but also with the tools and techniques necessary to monetize like a pro. So, are you ready to maximize your revenue streams and take your content creation to the next level? Take the leap and unlock the full potential of monetization. That concludes our course summary. We appreciate you taking the time to dive into this brief overview of monetization and revenue streams, exploring AdSense and sponsorships. Your journey to becoming a master of monetization is just beginning. Remember, every like, share, and subscription helps us produce more enlightening content like this. So don't hesitate to show your support. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.